Hello everyone and welcome to my video. My name is Aaron Jones. The objective of this video is how to install BackTrack 5 and other operating systems inside VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and get started by opening our web browser, navigating to the BackTrack website, backtrack-linux.org, click Downloads. It's optional to register, just click Download. Drop down menu, select the latest BackTrack version, BackTrack 5R3, GNOME, and then 32-bit, ISO, direct. Click here to download. Now there is alternatives to BackTrack Linux. You can use kalilinux.org that just recently came out. There's also Blackbuntu, and then there's also Backbox Linux as well. I will give the links at the bottom of the video so you can check each and one of those out if you like. Let's go ahead and close our web browser once we have downloaded our file to our desktop. And then I'm going to open VirtualBox. Select New. Give it a name. Select your type, Linux. Based off Ubuntu, click Next. I'm going to select 2 gigs of RAM for my virtual machine. Depending on how much RAM in your system specs, it may vary. Create a virtual disk drive now. Click Create. VDI, Next. Dynamic located, Next. Now here I'm going to change the size of the hard drive so that we have plenty of room when we do updates and install any type of software. So I'm going to select, let's say, 50 gigs. Click Create. Alright. Once you've selected and highlighted BackTrack 5R3, click Settings. Go down to Network. I'm going to change NAT to Bridge Adapter to make it much easier throughout the rest of the video series. Click OK. Click Start. Click Browse. Desktop, BackTrack, ISO image, hit Open, hit Start. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Start X. And then double click Install BackTrack. English. Select your time zone. Select your keyboard layout. And then erase and use the entire disk. Forward. Install. Now, through the rest of the video course, it might be a good idea right now while BackTrack's installing is to install your other machines as well that you will be testing with. Windows 7, Windows XP, a Ubuntu server, and what we'll do on our next video, Metasploitable. Alright, once BackTrack has finished installing, you can go ahead and click Restart Now, and BackTrack will go ahead and restart to its fresh install. On my next video, we'll be installing Metasploit and other operating systems as well. I hope this was very informative and interesting to you, and I want to thank you for viewing.